Gopi, did you know Archimedes figured out this fascinating relationship between hemisphere, cone, and cylinder some 2000 years ago?
Oh yeah, the same radius and height?
Exactly. Actually, I saw this wild animation in online. I think we could build something to actually show it. What do you think?
Sure, we can. Here is the model money. So let me fix this. And we pour water into this cone. And it exactly fills the combined solid below, just like Archimedes predicted.
Oh, that's awesome. But I don't like holding it like this every time.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
With a siphon mechanism, water drains automatically.
Now, this is a smart design. Thanks, Gopi.